And get started. Good afternoon. I am Dr. Hall, Brian's teacher. He is my student that I chose to give extra help to. Brian is in 7th grade. Is that correct? Tell them who you are.
My name is Brian Head.
Look at the camera.
My name is Brian Head, 13.
So let's do our warm up, Brian, and start with Fry's 8 100 words. Would you please start at the first one and go for me?
Row, release, catch, climb.
Make sure
rope.
you say the ending of each word, Brian, and enunciate so that I can hear them.
Wrote, shouted, continued, itself, helps, plans, planes,
Very good.
gas, England, burning, design, joint, foot, law, ears, grass, ear,
Excellent. Do one more row for me.
grew, skin, valley, sense, key, president, brown, trouble, pool, cloud, lost, symbol, where, bad, save, experiment, engine, along, drawing.
Okay, thank you. We're going to stop right there. This is just our nice warm up that we like to do at the beginning of each of our lessons. As you know, Brian, we're working on your reading comprehension. So this is the first word that we're going to go for today. All right, as far as the word being tinge, please repeat after me, tinge.
Tinge,
Okay, which one of these alphabet will most be your answer as far as knowing about tinge? Would it be A, I have never heard or seen this word before? B, I have seen or heard this word before, but I don't know what it means? Or would it be C, I think I know what the word means, but I cannot use it in writing or conversation? Or lastly, D, yes, I know what the word means, I can use it in writing or conversation.
it'll be
It'll be A. Okay, not a problem. So A is no, I have not heard or seen the word before. All right, let's go here, Brian, and look at the definition. Please read it for me.
trace, a trace of something.
A trace of something. Now let's look at the example that they give us. Please read it.
Anna felt a tinge
Tinge.
of tinge. Anna felt a tinge of worry because she hadn't finished reading her book for her class.
She
Hasn't.
she hadn't finished reading her book for her class. Okay, please repeat the synonyms after me for tinge. Hint,
Hint,
trace,
trace,
touch,
touch,
bit.
bit.
All right. Tell me again, what's the definition of tinge?
A trace of something.
A trace of something. Now, what I want to do is give you an opportunity to pick out the correct word for tinge. So I'm going to leave this up as your example, and I'm going to give you answer choices for tinge. If you feel a tinge of jealousy when your friend gets a new skateboard, you feel A, just a little jealous, B, not jealous at all, C, incredibly jealous. What would be the correct answer?
See?
Why would you choose C, incredibly jealous?
Oh wait, no.
Think about it. Tinge means what?
A trace of something.
Right, and just a little something. So we know it's not C. So now we have our answer choices between A and B. Just a little jealous or not jealous at all, excuse me.
Is B a little jealous?
Sorry.
Is B a little jealous?
A. A.
A.
A is correct. Thank you. Let's go to our next word. Our next word is defy. please look at A, B, and C and tell me which one would be your correct answer.
B.
Read it for me.
I have seen or heard the word before, but I don't know what it means.
Okay. Let's look at the definition of it. Please read the definition of defy.
Boldly. To disobey authorities, to resist. Boldly.
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 Okay, to disobey authority, to resist boldly. Let's look at the example.
Mark likely to defy.
Slow down.
Mark likely to defy school rules by putting his feet on the desk.
Read that a little louder for me, please.
Mark likely.
Liked.
Oh, Mark liked to defy school rules by putting his foot on his desk.
Are putting his
His feet on his desk.
on the desk. Okay. Please pronounce D
D.
fi.
Five.
D
D.
fi.
Five.
All right. I'm going to freeze the screen and give you an opportunity to tell me, look at the board, which one would be the correct answer. If you defy the authorities, you A, escape from them, B, call them for help, C, refuse to follow their rules. Defy.
C.
C is correct. Refuse to follow their rules. Very good. So now, Brian, we have the extra academic vocabulary words. I want you to look at them and see if you can please read them as well as give the examples that they give.
Organization groups.
Organization.
Organization groups of persons united for some.
Okay, do you see an S on the end of that? Try it again for me.
Organizations group of persons united for some purpose.
Very good. Read the sentence, please.
The organizations
Slow down. The organization
I said right,
raises
raises money to help engage, right?
endangered.
Oh, endangered animals.
Okay.
Permitted, allowed. The officer permitted others to park near the building for 10 minutes.
Okay.
Concentrate.
Concentrate. Uh-huh.
Pay close attention to focus your mind. I concentrate as I read so that I will understand what is happening.
So that I
So that I
understand
understand
what is
what's happening.
very good. Okay. Do you have any questions about any of those words? Okay. So now we're going to see if you're able to answer questions as it relates to those words. Pause.